Welcome, here I've got REALME GT Neo2 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. And here we can find location option with short info that this can display location information in photo and video details. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turn it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture. To check its location, let's move to right corner button at the bottom to more, and here we have to tap to details. Now at the third place we have location with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.